Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to install extension on Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome browser and go to the right hand side, click on the three dot, scroll down and click on the extension. And here just click on the visit Chrome Web Store. And here you can see the Chrome Web Store is open. You can click on the second tab extension and you can search your extension here. So I search here to-do list extension. So I just search this one. Okay. You can read here all overview related to the extension, reviews, details. Okay. After that, click on the add to Chrome. Okay. Then click on the add extension. And here you can see your extension is installed. Manage your extension by clicking on the extension tool. Just click on the extension icon. And here you can see the extension is added. Okay. If you want to pin, just click on the pin option. Okay. It will pin here. You can see your extension is pinned here. Again, click on, if you want to unpin it. Just click on the three dot. You can remove from Chrome also if you want to remove this extension. Manage extension, just click on the manage extension or view web permission. I click on the manage extension and here you can see your extension name. On, if you want to off it, just turn off this option. Description, version, size, all the details here. Pin to toolbar, you can just turn on the pin to toolbar. Okay. Allow in incognito, just click on the allow option. And if you want to remove extension, just click on the remove extension. So this is a way you can manage your extension also. And to open your extension, just go to the right hand side and click on the extension icon and then click on your extension and it will open. Okay, here you can see you can add the tags easily. So I just add here tags and that's it. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.